Hello Topic Programmers! Today we have a Sloth robot kit for the Arduino Uno. It says it's a humanoid robot, it's obstacle avoiding, allows you to code easily, and it's easy to assemble. So let's get started. If we go ahead and open the box up, we are greeted with the instruction booklet, which includes not only the instructions on how to build it, but all the code for it as well. If we pull out the next thing, we see we have where the Arduino sits and where everything, including power, gets plugged into. If we go ahead and rip the foam off the pins, we can get a better look at it. If we travel down the wire, we see a connection for just a basic 9-volt battery. If we go ahead and set that aside for now, we can go ahead and grab the next thing, which, if we open it, it has all the pieces to assemble the Sloth. We'll go ahead and set that aside for now and grab the next bag, which has the cable, which we will connect to our computer to upload the necessary code to the Arduino Uno. The next bag, we open it up, has these clutch gear servo motors, as well as some screws and fasteners for those motors. If we go ahead and set that aside and pick up the next bag, this bag has all the screws and nuts needed to allow us to assemble the robot. We can go ahead and set that aside for now though. The next bag, if I open it up, has the ultrasonic sensor, which has the ability to measure distance using sound waves with the transmitter and receiver. The next thing in the box is some basic Velcro to help mount the 9-volt battery to the robot when it is all assembled. Last but not least, besides these basic wires, is the Arduino Uno itself. It says, "Caution, static sensitive devices not to be handled by unauthorized personnel." So I'm going to open it up and take a look at it myself. It's quite a powerful microcontroller. With all of that out of the way, I'll leave a link in the description to buy one of these kits for yourselves, as well as the shorts video showcasing the final built product. And as always, please like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend. That is the only way to help motivate me to make more intriguing and captivating videos and make this the best entertaining videos I possibly can. Thanks for watching.